Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got Ford Focus 2010 and it won't start. I'm going to show you in this video everything I checked and guess what we got it running. So if it's work for you, make sure subscribe down below, give us a thumbs up so other people get to see the same video and help them as well. First thing first, obviously check your battery. Turn your headlight on, try your horn, check your radio. If you're getting no power, so it's your battery problem. In my case, when I try to start the engine, I just press the start button or turn on the ignition, try to start the car, nothing happened. A message show on the screen and it say transmission malfunction. So I have tried a lot of things and I found my problem in the fuse box that's located underneath the bonnet. I will show you the location and how to replace that fuse. So on the left hand side near to the battery there is a fuse box. We have to open that one and we have to check all the fuses, but in my case I have replaced this fuse. It's in blue color and it says 15V. So hopefully if you will replace that fuse in your car will start. If this video helps you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.